Switch words, reprogram your mind for quick results. Tried affirmations and gotten nowhere? Maybe it is time to try switch words. What are switch words? Switch words are words that quickly change your energy. They do not have to be repeated with emotions or focus on the intent. Unlike affirmations, which are sentences that must be repeated and believed in order to have an effect. Switch words are single words which carry a meaning which is instantly recognized by your subconscious. Here is one example: count. What are you thinking whenever you hear the word count? Are you thinking about money? Precisely. This is the switch word you want to use to make more money. Switch phrase. A switch phrase is several switch words put together. Although you want to be a bit careful with how you string them together, and how many words the phrases contain. You want to reprogram your mind, not confuse it. When you create a switch phrase, the order of the words also have an impact. Divine together could be used to attract a soulmate or improve an existing relationship. Together divine may help you love yourself. Diffusing words. Sometimes the resistance to change is so strong that switch words alone are not enough. If you have blockages that get in the way, such as repetitive thoughts of lack when trying to manifest abundance, then using a diffusing word along with the switch word can help. The diffusing words work by removing blocked and negative energy. Say you have been trying to manifest more money in your life by using the word count. But every time you count your money you feel a sense of lack. That there is never enough. To diffuse this feeling, you can add the word cornucopia and form a short switch phrase: count, cornucopia. The cornucopia is also known as the horn of plenty, meaning that whatever you have will not run out, and that there is more coming. How to use them? Switch words and phrases can be used in many ways. There are no absolute rules here, you pick whatever works for you. But here are some ideas. If you want to heal from an illness, or just improve your overall health and diet, then you can use the switch word Hippocrates. You can stick a post-it note on your fridge with the switch word, put a note in your wallet and anywhere else that you might see it during the day. You can repeat it to yourself out loud or internally. You can charge the water you drink by writing the switch word on the glass you drink from. Want to know more about switch words? Switch words were first described by the author James T. Mangan in 1963 in his book The Secret of Perfect Living. They have since been used and developed further by others. One of the most popular books today on this subject is Switch Words: How to Use One Word to Get What You Want, by Liz Dean. If you are just looking for lists of switch words and diffusing words, those can be found online. You will find the links to these books and the online lists in the description section below this video.